Right. Hey guys, we're in the forest again today, and we're just sorry, I need to drop the phone. Having a bit of fun on our variation. We took off road in a minute ago. We're going to start recording now. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, we won't run them over. We won't run people over. Hey. We're not going to run anyone's dog over or anything. So just going for a little trip. Oh, bumpy up here. This is off-roading on a 50cc ped. Yeet! Yeet, bro! Oh, someone a dog. You man.
Yeah, I'm not going to fuck people's dogs.
Right, okay.
When you're doing stuff like this, you've got to have respect for people.
Yeah, we don't have it running when there's dogs, kids, or people nearby because we don't want to hurt anyone.
Yeah. They're holding their dog over.
Probably go and reassure that we're going to go reassure this woman that we're not actually here to be antisocial when we are just doing it to test it. So yeah, we'll go do that and then we'll get back on the videos.
Yeah, hopefully they realise.
Yeah, look how sexy it is. Oh, see, Rossi himself had this moped. Hey people, it's me, not him, talking. Well, what we're doing is, we come down here yesterday. Had a bit of going, too much fun on the moped. We killed the mini bike quite early in the day yesterday, but we got it working again today, so we've got it out again. We wanted to do this hill, which we're going to now. So can you change camera around on this thing?
Yeah, stop video first.
Oh bollocks. Well, yeah, basically, so we're now gonna conquer the hill today instead of yesterday. We've broken the moped today, so it's the mini bike we're playing on. You know, we're not really having much luck, which one of them will break, guaranteed. Happens all the time. Kidding me? Yeah. Stuck. In hand, bro. In hand?
Yeah, please, bro.
Right, 2 seconds. I'm still recording it, so if one of us fall, we're fucked. Right.
Yeah, heavy.
It's a bit, I know. I was doing it yesterday. Right. Oh, fucking squeaked out. Yeah. There we go. Right. So you're going to go basically from here, you know, the safety of up here, down this steep ass hill, which, hang on, actually better steep. Woo! Starts first time. Right. I'm going to stand safe enough away so they don't kill me. Right.
That was me, don't worry.
Okay, so that was you that killed it out, yeah? And it's going to come all the way down here out to safety, we hope. He might end up in this bush, but we're going to find out. Yeah! He actually did it. Legend. Fucking legend. Where's the screwdriver?
Don't need a screwdriver, spark plug don't fit.
Oh, it don't, does it? Where's the pliers there?
No, don't use pliers either.
How am I going to get this fucking thing out there?
What a little tool that I always use. It's on the floor next to you.
With a fucking...
What is it, Rich?
What?
What is that?
This is a yeeting-mobile. Everything's a yeeting-mobile, to be fair.
So that's to break cooling fins off just so we could use this. As it's not a standard size plug, it's fucking annoying. Go on then, undo it.
What?
Go on then. Go on then. Fucking hell, Rich, hurry up. There you go. No, it's loose now.
Got it.
Oh, it's quite warm.
Yeah, that's warm. I felt that, it hurt.
Oh, okay, so it's not dying because of that, even though there is water on it. Just pull it over once, just to clear it through.
What?
Pull it over once. Okay, that'll do. Just to make sure. Don't know why it's dying then, guys. Probably is just fucking heat season, really, isn't it? Pass me a grip. Whatever it's called. Just call it grips then. There you go, literally.
You eat it?
Not done yet. Literally not done.
Literally not even done yet.
Go on in.
Shall we?
Wait, fuel's not even turned on, bruv.
I'll turn it off, that's why you dickhead.
Oh. Did I didn't even turn the fuel on, did I? When I rode it?
The fuel was fully off.
That's probably why I died.
Right.
Fuming.
Shall we?
Sad little moped. Wait, pass it in, watch this. Oh, pass it in.
No.
Trust me, bro. Record then, bro.
Slowest thing ever.
It's the sickest thing ever.
This is how we have to get it started. I mean, you have to run with it. Down, bro. How do you feel? Wow.
Fuming. Wait, do you reckon it's dying from heat season or fuel starvation? I reckon something could have gone wrong when I installed that fuel tap, you know?
I don't know. We'll be back with updates.
Oh. You're such an easy. Look at it. A bit broken down. Fuming. Fucking hell. Where are you going? The path's there. The path is there. You okay?
What's going on?
Come on. Stop rolling into bushes, you're not Sam Witt. Right, turn the bars all the way right. And now let's carry on. Right. Can you go? Right. No, why are you heading towards the log? Why are you going? Why can't you stop? What's wrong with you? Right, do you want to try again?
I don't want to, I'm not gonna lie.
You're so silly, aren't you?
Well, at least you know I can stop it.
Yeah, your hair looks really nice in this video, by the way.
Video? Oh, I'm pretty good.
Fucking pretty good. Did you not realise?
No.
Phew, alright, let's go. Go on, get a knee down, go on. It's not even me. Go on. Stop pushing yourself and just let me push. Jesus Christ. Yeah, come on, let's go. Just don't do any effort. Let me do the effort.
More in the middle. Okay.
Just sit properly. Right, put your feet up. Don't do any effort. I'll get you home so you don't have to have a drink. You fucking. Oh, you got around the corner that time. Right, you're on your own. You're on your own. You're coming to a bit of a stop there. You're actually going at a decent speed. I'm actually having to run to keep up. Left. Go on. Go on. Bet you wish the engine ran now, don't you?
No, I'm going.
No, you wouldn't. Do you know how slow this thing is?
Did you see me back there? I can't
Remember,
breathe.
camera
I don't know
sideways.
why. Oh my god.
Thank you. Yeet.